Hi, I'm Jerry at Dill's Greenhouse. Today is March 16th, 2026, which makes me think we've been in business 44 years. So I want to thank you guys. I mean, we could not be in business without you. And we have started from my wife and me, and two part-time kids and my kids working, and to where we are now, where we have 50 employees, and everything that was here back in 1983 is gone. We've improved, and that's only because we have nice, loyal customers. So thank you. Our sale this week, in St. Patrick's Day, we have Shamrocks if you want them. Our sale this week is going to be seeds and seed starting things. So this week is 20% off all seeds, seed starting kits, whatever you use to start your seeds. And really, with the weather we've been having, which I might mention is probably the worst winter we've been through in 44 years. It was cold, and last week made it worse. We had probably the worst wind damage we ever had in my 44 years, but we'll get through it. It's just work. I'm not worried about it. It's just making this work a little bit harder. But what we try to do, and I think why we've been successful, we have nice sales, timely sales all the time. So this week is seeds. Next week, I'm just going to go over some of these for you. Next week is our perennial sale. This is these little perennials over here. We sell them for $1.99. We grow about 500 flats of them. There's probably 150 varieties. And when they're gone, they're gone. So people will run in here next week and start buying these on Monday. I mean, we never, might warn you, don't wait till the weekend. They will not be here, okay? The next sale we do, because this is what you should plant in your yard first, are pansies. So the pansy sale is the week after that. Pansies are normally a flat is usually $24.99. The week of the sale, a flat's $16.99. So that's our next sale. Then the next one is we do containers and empty planters, 20% off. Then the next sale is really a big sale. All of our trees and shrubs are 15% off, which we really get a lot of people in there. They wait for that sale so they can come in and get nice, fresh stuff. We'll have the whole nursery set up then. If you came out today, the nursery is not set up. We haven't had time. It's been too cold, but by the middle of April, it'll be set up. Then the next sale is probably the biggest sale of our year, maybe. We sell 2 flats of flowering annuals, and you get one free. That week is also our customer appreciation week, where you come out on the weekends and we can give you refreshments, and we have gift baskets and things like that. So that gets us kind of towards the end of April. After that, we have a hanging basket sale for Mother's Day. We also have a perennial sale and a vegetable sale. So I'm just want to tell you all this. We're not trying to hide our sales. We want you to know where they're at, and we want you to come out and get a good deal. Everything is on our website. All of our sales and events are on our website. So again, thank you guys. I appreciate it. My family appreciates it. My employees. Without you, we wouldn't be here. Thank you.